On the 5th of July 2009, Uyghur people gathered at Urumqi public square to protest tyranny and despotism on Uyghur people who are training to work at inner ear of China Guangdong. Massacre and despotism which aren't see thus the world's history came to light. Chinese police officers and the so-called security army shot and killed Uyghur people of all ages who came training to protest Guangdong chaos. The rest were either put into prisons or arrested. And the arrested ones got lost and hundreds of children were left as orphans.